The mobility of tomorrow will be connected and cooperative. Vehicles and infrastructures will exchange information to guarantee road safety and a better travel experience for all of us. Creating a system that supports a real-time communication between vehicles and infrastructures is key for a cooperative scenario. Emeras enables this interconnection and goes further. It identifies the events and immediately activates specific response plans based on pre-established rules by distributing timely notifications to vehicles in the interested area. Thanks to Emeras, it will be possible to manage complex critical situations for a safer and more sustainable mobility.